Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to restore your iPod. So you're going to want to get iFaith V, we'll just get iFaith. You're going to want to open it, allow, click OK, and then click on use DFU boner. Click it, click no, and you want to get your iPod. And you're going to want to turn it off. Just wait till it turns off. Alright, and then you're going to want to click start and then follow the steps. So then you're going to hold and press the power button and the home button. And then in 5 seconds you're going to let go of the power button. 2, 1. Keep holding the home button until that pops up, then you let it go, and then that should pop up. And you want to click OK, and then go to iTunes, click OK, shift, and then click restore. And you're going to want to find the restore one for iFaith. Click open, and then this should be doing it. Should extract it. And you're just gonna wait until it extracts. So I'll just fast forward this or skip this. Alright, so it should be preparing the restore, and then the apple should pop up, and then the little bird with the little iPod, the iFaith logo. See? Then you just wait until that loads. Takes like 5 minutes or more, not sure yet. Alright guys, so it's almost done here, and this should pop up on your screen, the little scrolling, and it should say waiting iPod restore. Waiting iPod restore. The little scrolly thing. And then right here should almost be done. So yeah, and then right here it says your iPod says today, whatever. Alright. And then your iPod should be turning on. Alright. You're just gonna wait for like 20 seconds or less. So now it's done, and then you just do the rest, all your information, your email, your account. So yeah, you're pretty much done. And right here you just, yeah, you guys know what to do. So I'm gonna click on set as new iPod, put my name, then done. And then yeah, you should have it right there. Restored. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. So there you go. Restored iPod. And yeah guys, so please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be doing a jailbroken tutorial soon. Peace.